Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I go by the name Officer Kizo, and right here by my side is Officer
Woto woto.
the Heram. Woto, what would they talk about here? Woto. This is why they call him Woto now because they do things according to how the government they order the law. So if you not take time, you go collect am for your body automatically, notoriously.
Woto.
So the reason why I dey make this broadcast is the situation in our nation. The situation in our nation is becoming something choking, and it is choking up to the level that the government have decided to give us this task. And we don't want in a situation whereby if we come now, come catch you now, and I go say police too dey like to dey wicked boys, police too like to dey do bad things, but now they cause am. Number one, 85% of Nigerian youth now are smokers. 85% of Nigerian girls now are into hookup.
Olosho.
And now with our investigation and with some kind things wey we don gather together and information, we come begin dey discover now say the high rate of drug selling is enormous. Abi wetin be that English wey dey talk? Enormous.
Enormous.
Okay, enormous. Okay.
It is getting out of hand.
Right now, we go start to dey catch hookup girls. All of una dey do hookup. Una know say if we see una, you wear bun short na hookup, you wear short skirt na hookup, you get as you take do your hairstyle na hookup. Shebi we be dey catch boys wey dey do dread before, dey say police wicked. Now na girls now we don see say the level now, because you no fit see ordinary girl, you no fit see ordinary girl wey dey waka normal now without say dem no dey do hookup. They go just dey pre ten d like say if you now worst part be say if you even dey toast dem, they go dey but just tell dem say afa ma go nyash you, ma give you 20 bay. Make us go your boss for ground.
ASAP. Na so
You go just boss. So wetin we go dey do now be say if you see girl wey spray hair pink, wey spray hair brown,
yellow,
wey spray hair gold, wey wear one kind nonsense, we just catch am.
you carry
We don know say this one
automatic cash out.
and the kind man every time the kind game we go get, we go fit still arrest them. You know say woman level na wey dey go dey beg. At the end of the day, make us go come reach our hand.
We go nyash them. Hey.
Okay, apart from say we go even see nyash them, we go collect like 20k for their hand.
Because we dey messy for them be that too.
But all those boys now wey dey catch with smoke, with all those things, at the end of the day, you go see boy go smoke every night, all him eye go swell up, all him eye go small. At the end of the day, 5 naira you no get. Him family sef don throw am, they never know say police don arrest am. You know wey dey arrest all those boys wey dey smoke loud, wey dey smoke Arizona, wey dey smoke Igbo, wey dey smoke Kolos. Na all those Olosho now. So information now wey dey go around be say now well it's okay.